Hi DIYers, I'm Rowena from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing something that's magical and mystical. Any ideas? This animal has wings and breathes fire. That's right, it's a dragon. Let's draw a dragon together. Okay, to start our dragon, I've just done a dot in the middle of the page. And from this dot, we're going to draw a line up towards the top, slightly curved. Now we're going to draw it almost at a right angle, straight out, but again, slightly curved. And we're starting with the dragon's wing. Now we want to bring that line back here, but instead of going straight down, we're going to go and do 3 semicircles like so. Now that's to create the wing. We're just going to go in with an inner line like that to support the wing. If you go from the bottom of the wing, we're going to go down and then flick up your line like that to create the tail. Bring it back down and stop here. Because here we're going to be creating our dragon's leg. This is a little bit more complicated, but for this, we're going to draw a dot roughly in the middle of this, and we're going to go around, almost draw a circle, but just when you meet here, we're going to come back out and draw 3 claws and bring that along and back up for the dragon's leg. Now we've done the leg, we're going to move on to the next part, which is following the body up through. So you see we've got the tail here, we're going to follow that line, now draw on the page and follow it up to create a waved line like so. Don't worry if this is taking longer than me, just pause the video and you can repeat the video if you need longer. Now, we've got the body, we're going to just draw in the other leg by doing a little semicircle and 3 claws again. We want our dragon to have arms, so let's draw in some arms. For this, we're going to draw in little arms like this, and then again 3 claws, and do the same coming out the other side of the body, like this. We're going to go back to the wing that we did at the beginning, and we're following the body line through, but this time we're going upwards. So we go in and round there. We're going to draw an ear, and we're going to draw a horn, like so. Go from the horn, and we're going to go down and create a nice U shape and link that back up with our bottom line. We've only got 1 horn here, so we're just going to go in and draw another horn on the other side. Now you can see our dragon coming together. We need to add a couple more details. First of all, we're going to add in a line for our dragon's mouth. We're going to add in a nostril and an eye, like that. And then our scaly body, we're just going to bring a line like so all the way through to the tail from the neck. You don't have to do that if you don't want that, but my dragon is going to have a scaly tummy. Once you've got your dragon, oh, one more thing I forgot to add, of course, along the back of our dragon, we've got to have these on. There we go. So we've drawn our dragon. Now all we need to do is colour him in. I'm going to draw my dragon green with a yellow tummy, but you could do whatever colour you like. Now to finish our dragon off, I'm just going to draw some lines here and down his tummy. And then from this corner, we're going to go down like this for his wings. You could also add fire to make him a fire-breathing dragon. How big were your dragon wings? And did you draw any fire coming out? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos, and head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations online with a like-minded community of kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.